Hi guys, so I'm going to be working with a canvas with a black background. I've already poured the background on there. The mix was Artist Loft Black with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and about an ounce of water to thin it up a bit. I'm also using DecoArt Metallics Pewter, Basics Cobalt Blue, Basics Deep Green Permanent, Basics Bright Aqua Green, a Metallic Blue by Ceramicoat, Fluorescent, whatever I got left of this Fluorescent Violet by Blick Art. Love that color and it looks fabulous against the black. And my gold. So we are going to get ready to do a traveling funnel pour. We'll see how this works out. And there's Kitty. She is very curious. So, all right, nope, probably about right there. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so we're gonna get going on this. I've put a little extra puddle right about here in the center. I'm just blocking the cat. I don't want her to get on there. So I'm going to put the funnel here. And I'm going to see if I can alternate some of these colors. I am going to start with some black. And the pewter. And the cobalt blue. And I'm just dumping them in. I'm not layering them at all. Green. I'm gonna do some of the gold now. Pretty much does that one. We're going to do some blue, and I'm going to dump in the rest of the black from up high. Maybe a little more pewter. Finish with some gold. All right, so let me get the colors out of the way. I'm trying not to let the funnel go just yet. All right, now I'm gonna let it up a bit. I'm gonna try and drag it under the paint. Okay. This might end up being too dark. Who knows? I'm gonna let it settle for a minute. Pop air bubbles. All right, I'll let that set up for a moment and clear some of these out of the way. I might just leave a few out here, ones that still have color in them, just in case I have to rescue it from utter disaster and add a natural ring pour on there. And if that's the case, obviously, you'll see that happen. So, a few more. All right. All right. That's what we'll do. Just a little bit of that. Golly gee, I love this. I love this all on the top. So I am gonna take this out right there, I think. Stop for a minute. Okay, so interestingly, I don't think I'm gonna stretch it any further, and I'm gonna bring you guys in because from this angle, it's so pretty, and it just seems to be bursting down this way. I think I'm gonna have to mix up a little more black, we'll see, to get that covered. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys this. I'm sure you've seen it from that angle, but it's a little bit different, I guess. You did not expect this. Wow. Okay, so it doesn't look like much, but when you come across it, It is so pretty. I am completely enamored with this one. This is so awesome. So I think that's it. I'm not gonna do much else to this one. Maybe add some of the drippings right here to this area right here, but who knows? We'll wait and see. I like how it sort of shows other colors in there that you can't see up in here. This is totally not what I expected, but I am absolutely loving it. You guys have a great Sunday. Chat later.